friend, welcome to the channel. I have an awesome recipe for you today. It's my creamy Rigatoni D, which is a spin-off of Maggiano's Rigatoni D. I will have all of your ingredients listed below. So in a pot, I've added the pasta and some salt, and I'm going to cook it till al dente. I have also taken a chicken breast and I have diced it into bite-sized pieces, and I am actually sprinkling it heavily with my seasoning blend. I will have that listed for you below. So in my pan, I have some easy OO, and I'm adding in all of my chicken breast, and what I'm going to do is cook it 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's done. If you don't want to cut it up and do all of this, you could just do a regular chicken breast or chicken thigh and then just cut it up after the fact. So next, if you are going to add mushrooms to your dish, you will saute them next. After you have sauteed your chicken, you want to go ahead and saute your mushrooms and then set them aside. So in a pan, I have added in my onion, and I'm going to add some salt and pepper, and I'm going to cook them until they are translucent. And to this, I'm going to be adding in some garlic. And basil and parsley blend. I'm going to saute this a little bit until the garlic is a little fragrant. And then next I'm going to be adding the balsamic vinegar, and I'm going to be adding the marsala wine, a little bit of chicken stock, and I'm going to let this cook down and reduce to half. Of course, you will not be waiting for that, so next here comes in the heavy whipping cream. So I'm going to add also some Parmesan cheese. The rigatoni noodles are going to go back into the party, and then we're going to be adding back in the chicken and the mushrooms if you're going to be adding mushrooms to your dish. Traditionally, the mushrooms are in there. But anyway, this dish, I'm telling you, is so freaking awesome. You're going to love it. And basically, I'm going to add in a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. And you guys, the dish is done. I'm going to be plating this for you in 2 seconds. So here you go. Here's your plate. This dish is awesome. Don't it look good? The chicken got wonderful flavor on it. And you guys, I want you to make this dish. And as always, I want to say thank you and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.